Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw crypto from Binance. If you're withdrawing crypto from Binance, make sure that you have a linked bank account. Along with that, make sure that your account is verified, and out of all, make sure that your account is funded. Now then, to begin with the withdrawal procedure, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged into your Binance account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. If you want to withdraw the cryptos, go to the portfolio options or the wallet icon. Then you'll be able to locate spot. If your account is verified, then only you'll be able to find the option. That means you'll be able to trade on Binance. In my case, unfortunately, I've not verified my account, so the option is unavailable. So what you need to do is just locate spot, probably which is going to be located in the top right hand side corner. Tap on it. Next interface, you'll need to select what you actually want to withdraw, the asset. As soon as you've selected the asset, then you'll need to go ahead and enter an exact amount that you wish to withdraw, and you need to enter in the wallet address where you're actually withdrawing, maybe bank or some other wallet, or some other crypto app or wallet whatsoever, and then confirm it by going through all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, submit it, and it's going to take a while in order to complete the procedure. So till then, wait patiently, and that's how you can withdraw crypto from Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.